During my quest to find the most compact and useful camera setup, I reviewed my fair share of standard and mini tripods, but I have never tried one like this before. This is the Edelkrone FlexTilt Max, which isn't exactly a tripod because it doesn't have 3 feet, but it can do the job of a mini tripod, and even more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this product works, what it is, plus 3 things that I love about it, and 2 things that I don't like about it. Now before I begin, let me just say that I purchased this product with my own money. No one paid me to say anything, no one sent me anything for free. And I'm reviewing this product because I've seen one too many Instagram ads for it. And I finally took the bait and I bought it. So what is it? The FlexTilt Max is a newer version of the original FlexTilt, which I have never tried. But the fact that it's a second generation product likely means that a lot of features have been improved upon. Now, while it's not exactly a tripod, I'm gonna call it that because I honestly don't know of a better universally understood word that describes what it does. But when it's folded up, it's hand-sized, and it has 6 articulating joints that allows it to extend to a maximum height of 19.6 inches. It has a maximum payload of 3.3 pounds, so it can handle bigger cameras like DSLRs or mirrorless cameras when there's a small to medium-sized lens attached. Or you can also use it with more compact cameras like phones, action cameras, or my preferred mini camera, the DJI Pocket 3. You can also mount accessories on it like lights or microphones. You attach your camera or accessory of choice via this 1/4-20 screw, which you simply twist to tighten or loosen. No tools are needed. So how do you use it? Well, the FlexTilt Max can be used on its own in place of a mini tripod, and you can either make it really tall, really low, or any height in between. You can even clip it or hang it from untraditional nooks and crannies, hand hold it to vlog, or use it as a camera stabilizer. Or you can attach it on top of a standard tripod to turn it into a flexible alternative to a ball head. I especially love this usage of the FlexTilt Max because this way you can increase the height of your original tripod legs by nearly 20 inches. Or you can use it to get overhead shots, which are pretty much impossible to do with a regular ball head. Now that I've explained what it is and how to use it, let's talk about the pros, or the good features. So to me, the main pro are all of the different ways you can use this product. It can replace a mini tripod, a ball head, a camera stabilizer, and probably more things that I haven't even thought of yet. The second thing that I like about the FlexTilt Max is that it is solid. It is made almost entirely of metal, and it feels very high quality. Now, as a result, it is a little on the heavy side, weighing about 1.1 pounds. And despite it being relatively small, I would not call this pocket size like Edelkrone claims, unless you have really big pockets. This personally does not fit in any of my pockets. Finally, considering all of the pros that I just mentioned, plus the fact that the company is based in Turkey, I believe that most of the products are made there as well, plus it comes with a lifetime warranty, I think this product is pretty reasonably priced at $69 US. I honestly expected it to cost a lot more than that. So there are a lot of good things about the FlexTilt Max, but there are also a few possible downsides. First of all, like I mentioned earlier, it's not exactly pocket-sized, even though it's advertised to be. It can also be seen as a bit too hefty if you intend to use it with a small camera or accessory. I kinda wish there was a FlexTilt Micro version that would better complement a smaller camera, like my phone or my DJI Pocket 3. But it is also nice that I can use my full-frame Sony camera with this version if I want to. The second downside is the way that you adjust the joints. In the ads that I've seen, the models seamlessly bend and shape this product with no struggle. However, when it's straight out of the box, the joints are incredibly tight and pretty hard to move. You have to use the included Allen key to loosen the joints, to bend them into shape. It's taken me a lot of guesswork to figure out where the sweet spot is for each of these joints. So I wish there was an indicator of some sorts to let me know roughly how far I should loosen each joint to get the optimal usage out of it. I also wish that each joint could be loosened or tightened with a hand knob and not an Allen key. Or if they insist on using an Allen key, at least make it magnetic or provide a slot within the product for the Allen key to be stored. As it is, you have to always carry the Allen key in your pocket, and I don't know about you, but I always end up losing them this way. So those are my thoughts about the Edelkrone FlexTilt Max. Overall, I think it's a solid, well-executed product, with a few features that could be fine-tuned to make it more user-friendly. So if you don't mind fiddling with it, this could be a great product that can replace some of your existing accessories in your camera bag. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.